Our video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the online scam related to the website Gusor.xyz. Gusor.xyz is a really dangerous site that may suddenly attack Google Chrome and many other browsers. Gusor.xyz basically tries to make you pretty scared regarding the condition of your computer in order to make you download and install certain potentially unwanted applications. So if you ever see these pop-ups, be very careful. Don't tolerate them. Don't trust them. Don't install what these pop-ups promote. Instead, just leave this deceptive page. I also recommend you to research your computer additionally with Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. So download the program, install the software, and then once it gets successfully installed, start carefully researching the computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other infections. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on the Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.